First, let's start brine our chicken. In a bowl, add in 1 liter of water, 1.5 tablespoons of salt, sugar, then a pinch of pepper. Mix very well, then soak your chicken for at least 24 hours. Fast forward to 24 hours. Make sure to rinse the chicken before seasoning. Season with salt, pepper, paprika, and cayenne. Mix very well. Crack in 1 egg, mix again, then set aside. We'll make our coating for the chicken. In a bowl, mix your flour, cornstarch, then season with salt, pepper, and paprika. Now let's coat our chicken. Just drop it in our coating mixture and make sure to remove the excess flour. Do this until everything's coated well, and it's time for our first fry. For our first fry, heat up some oil to reach 175 Fahrenheit. We're adding the legs first since it takes longer time to cook. Time to add in our wings. We did this so the legs and the wings will be done at the same time. Approximately 10 minutes has gone by and we're done with our first fry. For our second fry, bring up the temperature to 295 Fahrenheit, and this will make your chicken extra crispy. Again, drop in the legs first, followed by the wings. This will be all done in about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, everything is golden brown. Remove from the heat and let's plate this up. Grab your favorite plate, arrange the chicken on top, season with salt and pepper. Voila! Double fried chicken done.